swim right over there in the algae. Don't you want to?
Mm-hmm.
You have any bread, Mother?
No, Justice, I have no
Mother?
bread.
Bread, Mother.
I have no bread.
Ah, that's funny. Oh, look. You think that when they get older, do they turn the color? I don't know. For some reason, it just says.
Those are birds. Those are ducks.
No, I knew that, Mommy. I knew that they were birds and ducks. That it was birds and ducks. But for some reason, they all went to it like those are their mamas. So I was thinking, do they turn to that when they're older? Are those all females or those all males? Females like to fly. No, because those be the males and these be the females. And the males like to impress the females. So what's the difference between a duck and a bird? They can both fly. But one prefers not to, huh?
One's in the air, one's in the water.
Exactly what I said.